All right. Good morning. I thought I would spend a second going over problem number 23. It looks a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same thing. Step number one, you need to isolate the power. So to isolate the power, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And I get x minus 2 to the 2/3 equals 9. Now, what do you do from here? Okay, so you got to remember, there's 2 ways to think about this, that this is your exponent, so we need to square root both sides. This is your radical, so we need to raise both sides to the 3rd. And so that's kind of confusing. So instead, let's think of this instead of 2/3. Let's raise both sides to the 3/2. Say what? So the 2/3 and the 3/2 cancel each other out, because 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Anything to the 1 is itself. So I get left with just x minus 2 over here. Now this, we can see if it simplifies, but I'm going to rewrite this. This means the square root. That means to the 3rd power. And so what I'm going to write this as is the square root of 9. That's from the 2 to the 3rd power. And we spent a day on fractional exponents, so that should not be surprising. Square root of 9, that's 3. And then 3 to the 3rd, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Add 2 to both sides, and I get 29. Let's double check our answer. Let's plug in 29. 29 minus 2, close the parenthesis, to the 2/3. I have to put 2/3 in parentheses, minus 4, and let's just hope we get a 5. Yes, we got a 5. Okay, so that's how you're going to go about that. Just to make sure I didn't miss one, I'm going to go out to Desmos real fast. And I'm going to type this in the left side. Weird, huh? And then the right side, ooh, I left off a minus 4. Got to shift it down 4. And then I have 5. Doesn't like when I just type 5. I think I have to put y equal 5. There we go. Oh, look at that. So there's 29, but there's another solution I missed. I missed negative 25. What did I forget? Let's go see. I know there's 2 answers, negative 25 and 29. Oh, I know what I did. Okay. Anytime you take the square root, you should look at the positive and the negative. I forgot that step. Okay. So the positive and negative 3 because negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, and so is 3 times 3. And then, so I already had 3 to the 3rd, so now I need to write my other equation as x minus 2 equals negative 3 to the 3rd, which is negative 27. And then I add 2 to both sides, and I get x equals negative 25. Almost forgot part of my work there. Let's I think it was -25. Let's double check. -25. Okay. So again, anytime you're dealing with the square root and we square root both sides, because of the 2, you need to look at the positive and the negative. Okay. It's almost left off one of the answers. So it's always good to double check your work. Bye-bye.